Cajaf Comon, traced control. The deep confidence early won right after its creation in 1992 makes of Cajaf Comon the idol of its clients, hypnotized by the great power of the West African frozen products importers leader. But this feared notorious status has not been obtained ex nihilo. On the contrary, this growth the consequence of rigorous relation with European partners respected in the environment for the reliability and the quality of their offers, the efficiency and the credibility of the activities, and most because of the wideness of the markets where they sell their products. To dissolve any doubt, to reveal the true face of its products, appreciated for their quality, and to stop in you, its consumers, any false suspicious idea, Cajaf Comon decides to make you discover its Western providers. Here in France, all start from the confidence earned by Sébastien Adjavon, Chief Executive Director of the Cajaf Comon Group.
I met Adjavon Sébastien in 1995. He was then continuing his mother's business. Sébastien, with his negotiating talents, succeeded in buying in all the slaughterers' houses in Britain and France, then in all France, and finally throughout all Europe. This helps us to see the start of the growth of Cajaf Comon.
This idol opens the best borders to the first West African frozen product import, and he can directly provide from the best point as any other importers in France or anywhere else in Europe or Asia, and leader in the same domain. In 1995, the famous saga started. The poultry site of Kirana, specialized in slaughtering of turkey and chickens, thousands and thousands each year, now serves Cajaf Comon, subsidiary of the Glan Group, specialized in the manufacturing of food to the rearing structures. This slaughtering site has a quality rearing system of veterinary and controlling technicians upstream and the bacteriological quality downstream after slaughtering. It even guarantees security with a control at the slaughtering house.
We have a quality rearing system upstream. We have technicians and veterinaries who control the turkey in the rearing. We have a measure of the bacteriological quality after slaughtering through sampling that are made 20 days before the slaughtering.
Precocious measures here at the poultry site of Kirana are rigorous, with 3 technicians headed by a veterinary inspector. The work is of high quality.
When an animal presents some imperfections, we don't take the whole animal off the line. We just take off the wrong parts. But when the imperfection presented by the animal is terrible, we take the bad part off during the slaughtering.
Hygiene on the site imposes a physical control of the animal, raw material, and the instauration of a real bacteriological sampling plan.
We sample different products, not every time the same, but we have a sampling plan. We send the samples to an accredited laboratory which analyzes the product and sends us the result back. What helps us to control the quality of the product as well as the quality of our work.
The poultry site of Kirana, according to the quality service of a group of workers, assuring a strict respect of the charges book established with the client, is the providing point of high guarantee for Cajaf Comon, considering the perfect condition of the production. Once the selection made, the products stocks in frozen rooms at -40 degrees of freezing to preserve the quality are now ready for the travel to Benin, once the containers chartered by the partner Maersk Line. As far as the importation of hen is concerned, Cajaf Comon prefers reformed chicken produced by Volaille de Poher, exclusive provider of the French army, with 400 slaughtering houses all over France and a production of 25 to 58,000 chickens every day.
Talking about meat stock, in all we have at least 300 tons of meat and we sell at least 1 ton per month. So anytime the product is taken from here, it is very fresh as it has just been transformed. We have no old product, no old stock. Things go really quickly.
The strengthening and the reinforcement of the heavy commercial capacity of Cajaf Comon, it is also with the Socaval Society, created in 1963 and specialized in the slaughtering of reformed chickens with a turnover of 79%, a turnover which comes from Africa and Asia. After 15 years of collaboration, Cajaf Comon won the confidence of one of the best producers in the world of eggs and chickens, of about 120 billions in number as far as local and external consumption are concerned. The production's conditions are far beyond universal obligation in the domain.
To take the word of one of the adverts made by Sebastian Najavon in Benin, experience creates confidence. You see, we are partners for 10 good years now and it won't stop soon.
The poultry production group Amon, great unit of production, is also among the exceptional providers of Cajaf Comon, which only preoccupations remain the total satisfaction of the confidence of its clients, based on the quality of its importation.
The sanitary survey conditions are highly beyond the international norms.
The sanitary guarantee with the control all along the duration of production, regular analysis made by the French Direction of Veterinary Services that certified the results and order the slaughtering.
All along the rearing, they test through analysis every 5 weeks that the hens are well in health, that the hens are not weak, overloaded with medical treatment, that there is no disease risk before they are conveyed to slaughtering. So, it is the veterinary service that delivers the certificate that allows us to take the bird to slaughtering sites.
The quality of the products to be conveyed to Africa is equivalent to the one of those sold on the Western markets.
There is no difference between a hen of my rearing that is going to be sold on the French or European market and those that are going to be exported to Africa or Russia or elsewhere in the world. Upstream and downstream the process, from the selection of the bird for rearing to the export via slaughtering, the big partner, Casco, is a real actor, a certified coordinator. Its choice by Cajaf Comon is not at random. It is the action of a noble vision for Benin begun since 1995. The important audience of Cajaf Comon depends on the credibility and the excellence of its partners who settle their hope on the honesty of the Benin importer. All the other containers are identically to them. That is to say, they have a charge book. They are controlled by the veterinary service and there's no doubt about the quality of the product delivered at Cotonou. In contact with the producers, one is now and forever convinced about the concrete quality of the frozen products of Cajaf Comon, secured, necessary and unavoidable products nowadays in the region. The experience of the big importer, it is also at the heart of great group meeting between the great baron of the agroalimentary sector. Here at the Sial Fair,
the greatest international agroalimentary fair held each year. And for this year, 2010, in France, Cajaf Comon remains present for its convinced through its ability and competence proved to the entire world. The accreditation to participate in this fair is obtained considering the value and the weight. The best of the world take part of it and earn more again.
Everybody comes to show something. Otherwise, it is not useful to come here. It is not a friendly affair here. You can see the stand is visited. If you make a friendly affair, you have nothing to sell, nothing to buy. Your place is not here. All you can see here is only work. It is not improvisation and it is not cheating.
Eating Cajaf Comon products is eating fair, protected and rich, and no doubt experience creates confidence, and above all, confidence remains forever.
Come on, cajaf.